There we go. Oh, it's a decent fish. All right, me and Max just made it to a legendary creek here in Kansas. See some fish floating down there already. You need help? Here, just let Daddy help you. Come here. Okay. All right. All right, when we get down here, it's life jacket time. Jump.
Yeah.
Woo! All right. Okay.
Oh, your head.
No, Daddy is absolutely helping you with the life jacket.
Okay, I'll do the clippers. I'll do the clippers next.
Push it in.
I can't do that one.
Oh, you can't do that one.
No. It's hard
Oh,
to do
it's twisted up. That's why, silly.
I'm not going to do that one by myself.
There we go. That one's clipped. Here, let me tighten this up here.
Okay.
Boom.
You warning me, I'm going to point out deep water. I'll drive my car.
Okay, let Daddy fish in the deep water for just a second. Here, you want to come look over here? Look how pretty these rocks are. You can swim, come on. But Daddy's going to cast right here for a minute. So just let me cast, and then you're more than welcome to come on over. Oh, look. Little net. Come on. God, so much trash. Ah, people just don't have any respect. Come on. Let me see your hand. Come here. You ready? And jump. Whoa! Look at all of this prettiness.
Yeah.
Isn't this cool?
Good waterfall.
There's nice waterfalls. You are right.
Yeah, I'm going to wait. It ain't tight.
You want to go look at them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was going to deep water over there.
Okay, you can go in the deep water in a minute, but for right now, you got to stay right here while Daddy casts a little bit. Is that okay?
Wait, one time?
A few times. So you look at the fishies. See them?
Yeah, I was going to get one.
No, just leave them. Daddy's going to try to catch some. Okay, you play right here. Daddy's going to grab a fishing rod real quick. I'll be right back. It's literally just 5 feet over this way. All right. See what we can do. It's actually pretty deep right here. It's probably 5 or 6 feet out in front. Do what? You need to show me something? You need to show me something? Tell me something? You need to tell me something? What? Oh, you did?
Yeah, and I did.
Well, how about that? Oh. Okay, Max, you go that way. Daddy will let you swim in the deep end in just a minute. Daddy's got a fish already. That was quick. Oh, stinkers. Can you run and grab the net, please?
Yeah, I can.
Hurry up. Oh, let's see if I can grab. Oh, he spit it. Nice. Here, Daddy's going to grab the net real quick.
Okay. In the deep water?
In the deep water, but right now you got to play in the shallow water. Yeah. Oh, we got nibbed. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. That's why Daddy wants you up there. There we go. That's a better one. Oh, oh, it's a bass. Oh, there's a whole school of bass. Oh, he spit it. Dang it. I got to get him close enough to do that. There's a whole bunch of bass down there. I'm going to get the net closer. Oh, really? Set my phone down. Okay, we actually got to get one landed here and quit messing around. Oh. Oh, are we hooked? We are hooked on something. Huh. You want to come see him? Green sunfish. Here, you want to touch him?
Yeah, and see him. Wow, and nice and
Nice fishy.
now let him go. That's floating him.
Thank you. All right, you go back over on the shallow end. Go play in the waterfall.
Hey, in the waterfall?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, is the fall water over there and the goat over there?
Max, there's nothing over there, and Daddy is standing right here with you. Nothing's gonna get you. I can see you just fine. Here, I'm gonna come over here with you. How about that? Does that make you feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy's gonna stand right here. Oh, will you grab the net
Oh, yeah.
and bring it over here? Thank you. Oh man, that's so much better. I was dying. Even in the shade, it's pretty hot. That's why me and the little one had to come to the creek today. It's okay, just pick it up, buddy. You're fine. But on a good note, fish are biting. There we go. Ah, missed him. The little ones must be nipping it. Oh man, I took that one from him. Little ones are nipping him.
Okay, Dad, that's it. Waving it down there.
Okay, let me see it. Let me see it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, that's okay. It's made of wood. All right.
Make a wood.
All right, you go over there, please.
Wait, I need to put my sunglasses.
Just put them down right there. Here, you can set them down next to Daddy's sunglasses. Where'd you put them?
Right there.
Okay, here, let me see them. Throw them to me.
Just
Throw 'em to
put
me.
them in the water.
Okay, just throw them. Oh, okay.
Go in the
Okay.
water.
All right, come here. I'll help you down.
Wait,
Walk down right here.
I'm going in the deep water.
No, you're gonna walk in the water over there.
And
Okay.
I like going in the waterfall.
All right. Are you gonna go check out the waterfall?
Yeah, and swim in there.
All right, go swim in the waterfall. Waterfall's, oh, falling. Waterfall's only a couple feet deep over there. Not even a foot, actually. A couple inches. I don't know why I was getting a couple feet. No, it's like 8 inches over there, but that's why we wear life jackets. What? Go check out the waterfall. All right, let's try to get another bass. There we go. Oh, that's a better fish. That's actually a pretty darn decent fish. Yeah, that's actually a pretty darn good fish. Oh, there we go. That's a green sunfish right there. That's a good one. Yeah, come on over. There we go. That's a good fish. Man, it's been a while since I've got on some green sunfish that nice. Oh,
I almost
looky
caught.
there.
I touched him.
Touch him. Hurry up. Good job.
I'll go back in the toilet.
You're gonna go back over there?
Yeah.
All right, good job. You're doing really good today.
I'm going to step in the water.
You see all of them? This creek is loaded with them. All right, let's switch to a swim bait because I think that's gonna be unbelievably productive here. And then I'm gonna replace this nymph here in just a minute. Okay. I did something pretty neat. Well, I mean, it's very simple, but I think it's pretty neat. I took one of those, I took a speed shad and I cut it down to about 1.5 inches. And it still has amazing action, but I think that's 1.5 inches is going to be more appropriate for this creek that we're fishing. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, everything was wanting that. There we go. Definitely a tiny fish. Oh man, look how small he is. Look at that. I think I just broke the record for world's smallest green sunfish. Bloop. You found a rock? That's cool. Is it a cool rock? Yeah, the swim bait is producing fish, but not at the rate that the nymph was. I think we're gonna have to go back and tie on another nymph to, good job. Oh, I missed that one. Must have been a little guy. Ah, man, the little ones just grab it, but they're not big enough to get the whole thing in their mouth. I mean, besides that little one, see, they're nibbing it. They are nibbing it real good. Oh man, this thing is tore up. Pretty sure, yep. They tore the tail off. All right, let's put on another nymph on the other rod. Right, we got a fresh nymph on there. Boy, I'm sweating even being in the water. I am sweating. Ah. Man, I want to get on another one of those bass. Did I accidentally cross that? Oh no, I see it. Probably gonna get snagged. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I think we did get one of those bass. Oh no, it looks like a green sunfish. It is. A little one. What's going on? There we go. See you later. I'm gonna come down here. Oh. Man, when I caught that one bass, there was a whole school sitting right there next to it. There we go, there's a fish. Oh, and he let it go. Man, that hook is just not doing a great job of getting in there. I don't know what's going on. Jump down. You got a life jacket on. Jump. Good job.
I can't swim. That's going wrong. I
Is
swim.
that cool?
Yeah. I want to jump off again.
Okay. One more jump and then you got to quit jumping, okay? So you don't scare all the fish away.
Okay.
You got a fish right next. You had one swimming right next to you. See him? Right here. Is it? Oh, there's a bunch of fish around us. See the ones right down here?
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah.
See that one? He was looking at you.
Oh, okay. I don't want to need to detach my nose to our water coming in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, our carp team. I went out in water. I want to swim in the water too, guys.
There we go. There's a fish. Feels like another little one. Yeah.
I saw a little one on the water.
You did?
Yeah. I want to touch him. I touched him tail.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. I don't want him to throw this hook through my finger. Give him a little. Oh, touch him, touch him.
I just touched him tail.
Oh, oh.
You got one?
Almost. Come over here. Make a couple casts. Oh, wow. You doing all right? Oh, there was a bass. All right, let's cast in right here. Oh, wow. It gets to about It actually gets fairly deep right there. Huh. A little bit deeper than I thought. Is that good water? Wow, it actually does get pretty deep. That's cool. Probably about 6 or 7 feet deep right here. Right off this cliff. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it does get pretty darn deep. There we go. Oh, it's a decent fish. Green sunfish, but a very, very good one. Oh, no, I got him. That is one of the better green sunfish that, oh man. Look at that guy. Man, if you've actually caught a decent one of these before, you know they fight very, very good.
See the diving board though? Oh, here it is. Dad, that's some oars right here.
Yep, go ahead. Here, stand right here and jump. See how deep it is?
Yeah. Wait.
Whoa!
Dad, you want to jump in too?
You want me to jump in?
I can't go back over there.
I'm gonna jump in right here.
I want to jump in right there too.
You ready for Daddy to jump?
Yeah. I want to jump with you.
Whoa! You want to jump with me?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait.
Go!
You're on the water.
You saw me under the water? Mm-hmm. Woo! Oh, it's deep right here too. Yep. Come on. Oh, Daddy wants to check out this waterfall. You want to see it with me? Jump. Whoa! You did do a belly flop. Daddy's gonna swim to that big rock.